Hey everybody, it's Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about your contact forms and specifically about where those contact forms get submitted to. So when someone goes to your website and fills out a contact form and submits the form, where does it go to? What email address does it go to? And how do you change that? This sometimes people forget to address this situation. And so what happens is the contact form auto populates the email address that created the website. And so if you possibly created the website with your personal email and you want to have any form submissions from your website go to your work email, your business email, then this is not going to happen. And so I'm going to show you real quick where to find the email address that the forms get submitted to and how to change it. Okay, so we're here on my demo website, and I'm gonna head over to the contact page. And so here's this form here, and I'm gonna go into edit mode so that I can show you what we're referring to here. So you click on the form after you get into edit mode, you click on the form, and then you'll click the pencil icon there to bring up the form editor, and then you're going to go into storage. All right, and then on storage here, you see you have the option to go and this will take you into the back end of your website, all of the form submissions that have happened, so you can see them. But then you have email notifications. So receive an email when someone sends you a form response. So anytime someone submits the form, it's going to send an email to the email address that's in this field right here. So to clear up what I mentioned earlier, the email account that is associated with your Squarespace account that you created the website in will be the one that automatically populates this field right here. So if you wanted to change it to something else, you're going to have to do that here in this field right here. And all you'll have to do is click on the arrow there, X off of it, and then type that in. I won't mind. I want that one to be associated with the email address that was in there already though, so I'm just going to type that email address back in and go back. Now, so when someone submits this form, it will go to this email, and then the subject line that will be on it will be whatever the form name is. It'll say form submission dash contact form. Or you can change this if you wanted to say something else. So, like if you wanted it to be contact page form, because, for example, I might want to do that because on the home page of this demo website, I've got a contact page on here as well, our contact form on here as well. So you might want to name the contact forms based off of what page they are on your website. So you know which contact form that the was filled out and submitted to you. So anyhow, that's all there is to it. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.